Ever look at a massive volume spike on your chart and wonder what the institutions are actually doing? Regular volume bars just show you how much money is moving, but they completely hide the story of who is winning the fight. Today, we're looking at volume DNA, a brand new indicator that decodes market behavior by mapping the relationship between volume and price spread directly onto your candles and tables. At its core, the indicator uses a statistical Z-score engine to evaluate two things: rolling volume and the high-low price spread. By combining these two metrics, it categorizes every single bar into one of four institutional signatures. Absorption, high volume packed into a narrow price spread. This is your classic footprint of institutional limit orders soaking up market flow, often marking major support or resistance zones. Notice how it automatically projects a liquidity cloud box forward to highlight where those orders are resting. Effort candles, high volume driving a wide spread. When the candle is aqua, aggressive buyers are in control. When it's red, aggressive sellers are dominating for trend continuation. Exhaustion, a wide price move on low volume. This tells you price is running on thin air and often warns of an upcoming reversal. Stagnation, low volume and narrow spread. Pure market equilibrium during consolidation. By the way, for our premium users, you can take this institutional analysis even further with the Market Core Pro toolkit. Inside the suite, you get access to our advanced dynamic liquidity map, which tracks live order flow and maps institutional liquidity zones dynamically as price evolving. You can get access to the toolkit anytime. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to our free volume DNA indicator. One of the coolest additions is the DNA barcode tape. Located right on your chart, it acts as an institutional activity feed, displaying a historical column of recent bar classifications and volume sizes so you can read market momentum at a glance. Combined with the live stats table tracking your real-time volume and spread Z-scores, you have an entire order flow dashboard built right into your main window. If you want to add institutional clarity to your price action analysis, drop this indicator onto your chart. As always, the link is down in the description below. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.